Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Textile company guys. In today's video, I'm going to showcasing some of the amazing collections, in particular rapier jacquard silk section. And many of the unique concepts we're going to be seeing. On that concepts particular, I'm talking about the lychee silk pattern guys. Yeah, today's we're going to be seeing some of the lychee silk, this kind of the concept. These all are come at under the range of 700 rupees guys. Yeah, we are having two different section in particular silk. One is for the low range segment and another one is for the high range segment. On the high range, you will be get all the ranges above 700 ranges, some of the premium and beautiful sarees. And apart from that, some of these kind of the beautiful sarees we are also having, in which you will be getting some of the silk wedding wear collections also. And talking to the southern region of India, the festivals are upcoming like Pongal. Yeah guys, on the occasion of Pongal, many of some of the designers silk sarees needed, demand was there. So, stick to the video till the end. Many of the concepts you're going to be seeing in today's video. First of all, in my hand, you will be getting these kind of the amazing collection guys. Yeah. Pattern will be the lychee silk, but the design will be different. You will be getting, see how beautiful buttas work you will be getting in the whole segment of body. And apart from that, if you're noticing the designs in the pallu, you're going to be getting how highlighted designs in the pallu. See how beautiful is this. And on the both the edge of the side of the border, one border is little bit wide and another border is simple. See, in these kind of the concepts you will be getting here. And I'm gonna be showing blouse segment also. See guys, this will be the blouse part of saree, in which you will be getting completely approximate 6.30 meter length you will be getting here. In this blouse segment, you will be getting as it is variety guys. Yeah, there will be not having any kind of the changes guys. Whatever the sarees you want to be viewing in screen, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. Next variety I'm going to showcasing. See guys. First notice the designs of pallu, how beautiful segment it was this, and how elongated work. And this one was the work of weaving guys. On the back side of the saree, you will be noticing how clean and cleverly our designs are made this saree guys. So beautiful. See. And these kind of the heavily beautifully jaried butta work you will be getting on the whole body of saree, and on the both the edge of the side you will be getting these kind of amazing designs. See guys. In this variety you will be getting amazing blouse segment. In camera, I know you want to be say, but if the camera a little bit going to be zoom, then you're going to be noticing the designs in the blouse also guys. See how beautiful it all is. In this, the designs of blouse also you will be getting. And the next variety you want to be saying, see guys. These are some of the dark tone sarees I'm going to showcasing today guys. Yeah, some of the English light shaded color concepts also we are having guys. See how beautiful it was this. Some of the beautifully peacock traditionally work concepts you will be getting in the pallu. And apart from that, on the both the edge of the side, you will be getting buttas work. See. These are the some of the beautiful sarees, and this will be the blouse part you will be getting here with the contrasting designing of saree. See guys. Have the screenshot if you're interested, and send it to the screen available number guys. Yeah, in screen available number, it's one of our sales executive number. Our sales executive person not having any kind of the language barrier guys. Either you from the southern region of India or the eastern or the western or the northern. Any part and region of India, all the language sales executive person we are having guys. So no need to worry about the language barrier guys. So any of the concepts you like, have the screenshot and send to screen available number. It's not possible to remember all the ranges. So that's why you have to call the screen available number guys. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range also guys. And rather than that, if you're not able to come and visit our company, for you, we are providing video call facility also guys. On that video call facility, suppose whatever the sarees or whatever the stocks you are having, seeing in the video call, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep. So no need to worry about any kind of the misleading activities. Yeah, I know in market many of the shop owners are there. They're showing themselves as a manufacturer, but they are not. They're just like a trader or the wholesalers or the retailers. So be aware of them, and before make your decision, let's research our brand or any other brand which are you showing in or viewing in the YouTube. Do the proper research and then get the decision to purchase from that company. So the same goes to us, sir. Same goes to us. View our comment section, read those comments, and then make your decision to purchase from us. And apart from that, last but not the least, I'm showcasing some of these kind of the wonderful sarees. See guys, this saree you will be getting, see, with the beautiful varieties, these kind of the beautiful work, and on the both the edge of the side, see, this will be the whole work in the body you will be getting here. And apart from that, if you know, in the designs of pallu you will be getting these kind of the heavily jaried work designs, guys. And apart from that, these all are the highly stocks we are available here. And apart from that, these are highly preferable in the Pongal occasion, guys. See how beautiful it was. These kind of the exceptional sarees you want to be getting here, in which you will be getting all these sarees which are highly preferred in the malls, showrooms. That kind of the designs we are producing here. All you will be get at the factory rate, guys. When you purchase from all showrooms, they will give you double than prices. They add their expenditure and double the margin, guys. Double, triple the margin. So it's a very good choice to call our screen available number and make your purchase and make your decision consciously. So guys, in this video that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye. साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का